As I'm sure any number of boring white dudes have tried to explain to you, an NFT is a non-fungible token. What the f is that? I'm CryptoBo, and today I'm gonna do it again in less than 2 minutes.
Nice.
When you think about it, most things are non-fungible tokens. Maybe it doesn't matter which chair you sit in at your table. If that's the case, then your chairs are fungible. They're interchangeable with any of your other chairs. If, however, one of them has a wonky leg that forces you to do a weird balancing act or put a napkin under one of the legs, then your chairs are non-fungible. They're unique. They're non-interchangeable. Chairs are maybe not the best example, but you can think of anything that rich people use to hide their money as a non-fungible token. Think about fine art. The Mona Lisa is a non-fungible token. It sits in the Louvre and it's currently very valuable. You could look at the Mona Lisa and you could take a picture of it. Or you could buy a print and hang it on your home like a psychopath, but it wouldn't be the Mona Lisa. There's only one, and the French have it. An NFT is any unique object that someone can own. It could be a painting or land or a particularly rare fish. But when annoying white dudes say NFT, they usually mean digital NFTs. A clearer way of putting it would be a unique digital good. But nifty sounds better than good, I suppose. Blockchains, like Ethereum, allow people to own digital property and prove that they own it. Whether that's digital art or a trading card or an in-game item, digital land or domain name. This is really the beginning of a series where I will show you what it's like to buy and use NFTs. So subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated when those videos come out, because it'll make a lot more sense when you see them being used. As always, if you want to get started buying and using NFTs, use one of the links in the description to sign up for an exchange, buy some cryptocurrency, and get a little bit of a discount for using our link. I'm CryptoBo. Thanks for watching.